Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use iCloud account in Windows. If you're using any iCloud account and you want to manage or customize your iCloud account from your Windows, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first thing you just need to open your browser here. In my case, I'm using Chrome, and here you have to simply search for a website which is iCloud.com. Just search for the website here, and now on this screen, you just tap on this sign in option. And here you just need to sign in with your Apple ID. So you just have to enter your email or your phone number here. And once you have entered your Gmail or your phone number, just tap on the continue option. And then you have to enter your password. After entering your password, just tap on the sign in button. So after that, you might receive a notification on your iPhone. Just tap on allow. And then you might see a verification code. Just enter that code here. So once you have entered your code, it will verify you. Then you can tap on trust browser if you want to trust in this browser. Or if you're using your own PC, so you can tap on trust. Otherwise, you can select not now or don't trust option like that. So once you have done, you might see this type interface, which is your iCloud homepage. Now from here, you can easily use your iCloud account. You might get your photos, your backup photos here. You will see your drive, your mail here, and every notes you have in your Apple ID. You can also manage your mail, your contacts, your calendar, and also including your photos from here. You can also use this Find My option to find your iPhone. Just tap on this Find My, and here you need to enter your Apple ID password again, and then you can easily find your devices. So I'm not going to find a device over here. You can also get all of your notes you received drives to your backup of your iCloud account. You can also upload your files from your PC if you want to, or you can also upload your files from your iPhone and then you can see them here. So in this way, you can easily use your iCloud account from on your PC or on your Windows. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.